guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a new art supply for you. I'm just going to go over them real quick. I'm familiar with this type of material, but I don't have the exact type of material in my collection. I'm going to go over them real quick to let you know what they are. They're Caran Dash. They're the NeoColor 2 Aquarelle. So there's some cute little stickers in here. Don't know why. Maybe to put on your tin or something. So these are water-soluble crayons, artist grade. So I'm going to be using them here really quickly, but first I am going to swatch them out. So they do activate when you put water to them. So I'm going to swatch them out. They came with a nifty swatch card, and I'm going to match them up. This one is .010 is on the end is the number, and then the color is on the side. So I'm gonna just swatch them out. Oh, they're creamy. And I'm going to do this really quickly so I can start using them. I'm working on some canvases. This is golden yellow 020. Oh, wouldn't you know? The number's not in the same place. There it is, 020. This is kind of like a warm yellow. Here's an orange. I'm just doing half of it so I can pull it out with water. This is flame red, which is more like a orange. This is vermilion. Hope you can see. Let's zoom in a little bit. Vermilion, which is like an orangish red. I just want to see what colors. This is scarlet. What colors I have so I can look at a glance and see. This is Carmine Lake. It's a little bit more of a cool red. And here's purple. I'm at my studio in Tennessee, and I went to the art store. Excuse the construction noises in the back. This is purple violet. This is, now they could have these wax coatings on the side. The wax binders just come into the surface and it comes right off. So this is lilac. I think I'll use that. This is, I'm just making sure they match, violet. Making sure I'm getting them in the right swatch. Ultramarine. Cobalt blue. And like I said, these are artist grade. This is malachite green. See, that didn't affect that at all, but that has that wax. You can see where that tip is kind of cloudy, but if you just take your fingers, you know, and it comes right off. It doesn't affect the pencil or the crayon whatsoever. And this is vert or emerald green. I call it vert. These are nice. And this one is grass green. Yellow green. Oh, here's lemon yellow. And I'm putting them in the, I would have put that up here, but for some reason they have it over here in the middle. One orangish yellow. This is like a flesh tone, like that one brilliant. And here is salmon. Okay, this says, oh, here's black. See, that looks like a gray because of that wax coming to the surface, but it's not, it's black. And then here's gray. And here's light gray. And white, which you won't be able to see on film. And olive. I like these colors. Dark green. And this is Prussian blue. And umber. It says raw umber. .049. Let's make sure that number matches up. Yep. Oh, I think this would be a great investment. This is brown. They're really creamy. That one scratched a little bit. This is sanguine. It's kind of like a burnt sienna. Here's an ochre. Light olive. Lime green. I have a cheaper version of these. Now these are like water soluble crayons. It says wax pastel. This is jade green. Blue turquoise. Kind of tore the paper a little bit. Light blue. Blue lavender. That says sky blue. Yeah, that does too. Periwinkle blue. Mauve or mauve. I call it mauve. Pink. So let's take a little bit of water and activate these. And we'll show you how. They're not cheap. Yeah, those activate really nice. Really, really nice. I'm just using a white Taklon brush. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, they just really dissolve nicely. And beside each one is asterisks, and up here is a light fast key. So it says that it was exposed to ultraviolet light for 150 hours. So, okay, so if you know, I'll link these below in the video description, and you can find these online. I got them at the local Jerry's Art Aroma in Knoxville, Tennessee. Talk to you later. If you like these kind of videos, give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Bye, guys.